Hi, in this video, we will talk about how to transfer baby Doge coin from Trust Wallet to Binance. So make sure that you have a Trust Wallet account and also a Binance account in order to do this. Once you have done that, make sure to open Trust Wallet and then select baby Doge coin. And then once you have clicked on that, you just need to swap baby Doge for BNB. Go to your DEX and just swap it. Choose baby Dogecoin as token to swap. Select BNB as token to receive and adjust slippage of around tolerance of 12%. Confirm the swap, and once you have done that, copy your Binance address. Go to your wallet, select BNB and copy the deposit address. And then after that, select BNB and Trust Wallet and tap send, paste the Binance address and enter the amount and confirm. So to recap, swap first your BB Dogecoin and then send it to Binance. So that's how you transfer BB Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Binance. I hope this video helped you out.